Hello everyone, happy Monday, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. We continue to show you how to sew Loden without a sewing machine. Here is our, let's call it base, and here is the pocket. We will sew this fabric up. Today we will show you how to beautifully handle a patch pocket. We will show you what parts need to be prepared for the pocket and how to duplicate the Loden correctly. Also in today's masterclass you will learn how to properly fix the seams by hand and how to strengthen your pocket so that it lasts for a long time. Right now we're showing you how to duplicate with adhesive. The fabric no longer stretches. Remember, the first rule is that the adhesive material should be a couple of millimeters less than the fabric. Now we go to the sewing machine. Now we align the placket to the pocket. Even excess needs to be cut off on the sides. Before sewing on the machine, you need to sweep. These two sections must be added. The next important rule is to choose the right thread color. They can be slightly lighter and slightly darker, but not exactly the same color as the fabric. Our pocket is ready. It shouldn't be wider here than here. Cut off this. Our pocket is ready for the next step. Now Natasha will be sweeping and attaching. Natasha's hands is the new kind of meditation for me. You can watch at it forever. It takes a few minutes to take a pocket like this. We'll leave the thread, pull it out from the inside out. And also the second side. And And remember, big pockets are in fashion right now. Here is such a gorgeous and warm pocket. It's cold outside, so sew yourself warm pockets. That's it for today's masterclass. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!